Alright, good evening folks. This is a break Topps triple threads. It's got 2 mini boxes inside. Here's the box. As you see, it's sealed. Whole box is sealed. Let's get this out of the way. See if you're watching the right break here. These are the names. If you see your name, you're on the right break. Also coming up in about 3 days, I'm going to have a break here of Crown Royale 2011. It's got 6 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Also, playoff NFL contenders. It's got 5 cards per pack, 24 packs, so there's a chance of getting a lot of hits here. And also a Timeless Treasures 2011. So look at my my selling items and hopefully you bid again. Here you go. This is the time. It's exactly 8:30. Is what I wanted to say. Tell you guys on eBay messaging that I want to do it at the exact time that I post on there. So it's 8:30. It's Monday, April 16th. And I got my helper here. He's gonna break the box for me. Go ahead. So okay. There's 2 boxes there. Here, 2 boxes are sealed. All sealed. Go ahead, break that first one. Just got a big pack here. We got a lot of hits. Alright. Okay, the first card is New York Jets. Sean Green, numbered 930 of 999. Sean Green. Second card is a Wes Welker, New England Patriots, numbered 413 of 999. 413 of 999. Oh, this, wow. Another Sean Green for the Jets. This one's number 159 out of 300 though. 159 out of 300. Next card is a Gale Sayers, number 10 of 999, Chicago Bears. Next card is a San Diego Charger, Jordan Todman, running back, 31 out of 36. Is a patch relic card. There's a number there, 31 out of 36. That's a Charger. Next card is another Jet, Vilo Powell, running back. It's an autograph relic card, rookie. Nice card. This was number 64 out of 70. So we're getting a lot of hits here for the Jets. And the last card is a Joe Flacco, numbered 42 of 250. 42 of 250. Here's the number there. Alright, let's open the last box. Okay. Jesus. Santonio Holmes, New York Jets. And the next card, you ain't gonna believe it. 734 of 999. It's a Jets box break, I guess. Next card, New York Jets, Joe Namath. There's a 664 out of 999. Joe Namath. pizza guys here. Okay, next card is an Arian Foster, 25 of 250, Houston Texans. Next card is a New York Jet again. LaDainian Tomlinson, number 638 of 999. It was unbelievable. Next card, that's the pizza, so I'm not going to let him disturb me. Is a Jacksonville Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew, 68 out of 300. 68 out of 300. I want to... Next card is a nice card here. D'Angelo Hall, signed, Washington Redskins. Look at that. Refractor there. It's number 36 out of 75. That's for the Redskins. Nice card there. D'Angelo Hall, cornerback. And the last card of this break is another Redskin. This is Leonard Hankerson, rookie. There's a nice card here. Look at that. So the Redskins and the Jets. This is number 34 out of 36. Alright guys, that's the break. Like I said, I'm going to have some more box breaks coming up in about 3 days. Please bid. I'm going to ship these out as soon as possible, hopefully tomorrow, and you get your cards. Thank you for bidding, and have a good night.